Hey, what's up YouTube? Today a quick video on how to unplug a toilet. We're going to use a toilet plunger. It's going to look like this. It has a little part out on the end. It is not like a sink plunger, which does not have that part. You do not want to use a sink plunger for a toilet. Or you could use a snake if it gets really bad. This one's not so bad. First, we're going to start by flushing the toilet a little bit to get some water in there. If you already have water, you don't need to do that step. Put it in the toilet and push down. When you're done, get the toilet plunger back to its normal shape. Use the rim of the bowl, and you've just plunged a toilet. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or comment.